अच्छा जी. So here, can we borrow something from our own work? Okay, or from somebody else in your own work? Yes, we can, but there are the ways which will make it proper. Okay, by introducing the quotation. But again, I will repeat, this quotation type of like text presentation should not be multiple times. This may be in rare cases or in a few cases where if you are not able to change the sentence, you would like to include it in original format. So in that case, you need to put the quotation. That will not be considered as plagiarism. Or if you have paraphrased properly word by word or maximum portion what you have pasted from another source that has been paraphrased properly and the citation is available, you have credited it to the original source, then okay, there is no problem. Or if the original text has been summarized, like summarize we mean that is a complete paragraph of we can say half page, and you have reproduced that whole concept into two or three sentences, okay, that is another way where the theme or the concept will remain the same, but the wording will be changed, okay, and you will credit the original source. So that is something you can do with paraphrasing or borrowing the material and then changing their wording, okay, but crediting the original source. So what actually the source is, blending source material in your own thoughts, making sure your own voice is heard, then it is okay. Otherwise, that will be problematic. So go with proper citation. Now, quickly, we are going, how can we paraphrase properly the strategies we can own, okay, to change the sentences from other or to change the paragraphs from the original sources in our own words. So some techniques which we would like to go through, थोड़ा सा एजाज आप go through कर लें इसके, मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम मिलेगा.
Strategies to paraphrase: use synonyms for all words that are not generic. Words like world, food, design, model, or science are so basic to our vocabulary that it's difficult to find a synonym. Change the structure of the sentence. Change the voice from active to passive and vice versa. Change clauses to phrases and vice versa. Change parts of speech.
Okay, so it's like already I have explained in different type of plagiarism किस तरह हम उसको avoid कर सकते हैं. These all we have gone through, but just for information, like if somebody don't remember from those explanation, they can go through these areas, these bullets, to understand the concept, how properly we can paraphrase or we can rephrase the sentences from original sources to what we can call our own, but still we will have citation with those change text, then we can call it our own. Examples, strategies, what we are talking about, let's see one by one, how can we do it? So you can see the original text. I'm not just going to read the text from here because this is just straightforward. Some areas have been highlighted where the major changes have been brought in the text, okay, and that have changed the words maximally, but keeping the idea, or we can say retaining the concept the same what was in the original source. So these are like the two acceptable paraphrases, or we can say changing in the words of the sentences, keeping the idea the same and keeping the structure, we can say almost like similar what was intended by the original author. And if you see, it has been properly cited. वहां पे चूंकि citation आपको नजर नहीं है because it is the original source. हाँ, in the two acceptable paraphrases we have to mention the original source from which it has been borrowed, but with the proper changes. Okay, you can see use synonyms and in this case change sentence structure. It's possible, the two possible ways are available. With a proper citation, then you can do these type of technique in making these sentences very close, very similar in idea, but change in words and using your words, your own words. This is another approach for paraphrasing, where change the structure of the sentences. We have the original, text, and the original text has the source in the background in the form of like reference. It is available, but for us, this will become a we can say citation in the text, like you can see here. But still, this Venkat Narayan, there should be a dash. I have missed something. सिर्फ लास्ट नेम होना चाहिए, साइटेशन में दो नाम नहीं होनी चाहिए. यहाँ पे अगर मेंशन है तो इसके दरमियान डैश होगा. जिस तरह अरब लोगों के नाम होते हैं, वो कभी कभार एक नाम जो है वो दो पार्ट्स होते हैं, एक नाम. तो you can represent there with a dash in between these two words. Otherwise, if the last name is Narayan, so this should be written as Narayan. ये वेंकट अगर एक another part of the name, so it should not be included. फिर ये एक error है मेरे टेक्स्ट में भी. अच्छा, साथ में ये देखना है, if you have changed the structure of the original text so that you can make it in your own technical report or writing, यहाँ पे जहाँ पे खत्म हुआ full stop should be at the end of the citation. ये भी एक error है यहाँ पे मेरे इस presentation में. ये full stop यहाँ पर नहीं होना चाहिए, full stop should be here. ये भी एक kind of like error है, ये text में typo error है, I can call it typo error. तो ये यहाँ पे नहीं होना चाहिए. Whether you have changed the structure of the sentences or the paragraph and you have properly cited it, properly citation with the last name and the other authors et al. And 2010 is the year in which it has been published. You can see the authors here, right? Okay, change the voice from active to passive and vice versa. अगर एक्टिव में है तो पैसिव में कर ले, पैसिव में है तो एक्टिव में कर ले. That will do your job as a strategy to paraphrase the text from the original source. तो अगर आप देख लें तो ये बड़ा paraphrase form में यहाँ पे present हुआ है. कॉन्सेप्ट हमारा उसी तरह चल रहा है, ठीक है, लेकिन उसको चेंज किया हुआ है इन वर्डिंग. ओके, एंड एट द सेम टाइम द वॉइस हैज बीन चेंज इन दिस पैराफ्रेजिंग. सो दैट इज अनदर टेक्निक एंड इट शुड बी प्रॉपर्ली हाईलाइटेड. ठीक है, sorry, properly cited with from the authors which are original, we can say they have originally written this manuscript or this text. चेंज तो हमने किया लेकिन उसको क्रेडिट देना है, ठीक है. ओके, गुड स्ट्रेटजी इज टू यूज द मल्टीपल स्ट्रेटजीज इन वन like go. Like you can rephrase the information so that it appears in your words, not those of the authors. And that you can do like two possible paraphrases are presented here, and the reason are also given why they are like different than the original. So, and what are the areas in which the changes have been brought? Not only synonyms have been introduced, the structure have been changed, the voice has been changed, and at the same time they have been properly cited. That's why they are very acceptable paraphrases of the original text. तो 1988 में इस बंदे ने जो है कुछ लिखा है, जो ओरिजिनल जो सोर्स है, ओरिजिनल टेक्स्ट ये है, प्रॉपरली साइट हुआ है. यस, Segal 1986 citation उधर है. And then the text has been modified with what strategies? The synonym have been used, the sentence structure has been changed, the voice of the English has been changed from active to passive, from passive to active, vice versa, whatever the case was in original. And citation is there. So because of these reasons, the multiple strategies have been utilized in this paraphrasing. Similarly, in the second case, synonym have been used, structure have been used, has been changed, and the voice has been changed, and the part of speech have been changed, and accordingly it is properly cited. अच्छा, बाहर मैं बैठा हूँ, मेरे साथ प्लग इन वो नहीं है, फैसिलिटी नहीं है, तो मेरे लैपटॉप में तकरीबन 7% चार्ज रह गया. अगर बंद हो गया तो उसके बाद अगर जो पार्ट इसमें रह गया तो मैं रिकॉर्डेड आपके साथ शेयर कर लूँ. इट्स वेरी शॉर्ट, 7% मेरे साथ रह गया. लेट मी चेक कितने वो रह गए हैं. स्लाइड को मैं जरा चेक करूँ. स्लाइड अभी थोड़े बहुत हैं. अच्छा, Okay, the assimilator, he is a person who would like to collect information from different sources and he is enjoying that case. It's a kind of like villain in the academic writing, right? If you see the figure, in the figure it shows like the voice of different people have been included in his writer. And there is no personal voice of this writer. So he is called as assimilator and he loves that work to collect information from different sources without crediting them and just अपना काम निकाल लेता है. So he is a kind of like academic villain. And here from different like, sorry,